If you've ever worked with PVC pipe, you know that it can be really time consuming when you have to put those joints together with the pipe. In a previous video, we showed you how we repaired a leak on a vent pipe. It was an intersection of 3 different vent pipes, and we had to cut out a particular section and then rebuild it all. It took a lot of time to reassemble all of that. We have a tip for you today that's going to cut your time working with PVC in half. A while ago, I went and I had a project to do for my in-laws. They had a leak that I needed to repair, and they live out of town, and so when I went there, I forgot my pipe cement. I had to go take the obligatory trip to the big box store. I knew exactly where I was going. I walked down the aisle, turned the corner, and I knew right where the pipe cement was, and right as I saw where what I thought I was going to buy was, I saw something different, and something that really changed the whole complexion of working with PVC pipe. Typically, when you do a PVC repair, the first thing you do is get out your Oatey primer, and it's this purple stuff. All you have to do is take the joint that you're about to use, put your primer on that joint, set it aside, let it dry, put it on the inside of the other joint, and set it aside and let it dry. Then you can go ahead and cap that off. Then you pull out your, in this case, it's Rain and Shine Oatey pipe cement. This is the blue stuff that works outside when it's wet. And then you hit it, and then you repeat the process. And after you get both sides done, you can go ahead and put them in, turn, and it's done. Simple pipe repair. Instead of going to the store and buying these 2 things, I found this. This is called Oatey Fusion, and the remarkable part about this is this right here. It says single step. What Oatey has figured out how to do is take this and this, combine them, and now you have a single step. Imagine when you're doing 12 different joints, and now you've taken a 2-step process and making a single-step process. Now with this Oatey Fusion, all you gotta do is go around the inside of your joint, go around the outside of the pipe, put them together, turn, and hold. And that's it. That fast. You can't manufacture more time, but you can certainly speed up the process. So now you have a choice. If you're just doing a one-off job here and there and you already have pipe cement, you can use the old stuff and you're not going to save that much time by buying the new Fusion pipe cement. But if you have a big project ahead, time is money, and it's probably worth the $10 to buy the new one-step Fusion and speed the whole project along. When you purchase both of these, the price is about the same as purchasing one of these. So Oatey's not going to make less money in their products, but you are certainly going to save yourself at least half the time. But choice is up to you. Hope this tip helps. If you got anything out of it, go ahead and give us a like. We appreciate it. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Thanks a lot for viewing, and we'll see you next time.